Hey everyone, happy Mudra Monday. So today we're doing a mudra. It's the Matsya Mudra, and it is for fluidity, calmness, ease, and flow. It helps with muscle tension. It also helps with joints and to ease any inflammation. And basically what you're doing is you're putting the right hand over the left and you're lining up your fingers, and let's see if I could do this high up, but and your thumbs are pointing outwards, and you are putting this at your abdomen. So it's going to be a little bit easier to put your stack your hands like this when they're a little bit lower. But that is what you do. You put it at your abdomen. This is for the sacral chakra, and which basically handles and takes care of the reproductive system and that area. So just get into a comfortable position and close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Okay, and then sigh it out. And take another deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out. Just allow your breath to flow, the inhale, the exhale. And as you are breathing, just feel this mudra on your abdomen. Feel it rise and fall. Just allowing the breath to flow through this mudra. Nice and easy. And just relaxing your shoulders, your neck, all the way down to the tips of your toes. With every breath, you are relaxing your mind, your emotions. Just continue to breathe and feel that fluidity, that ease and flow of the breath, nice and calm. Relaxing you, releasing any tension, maybe in your shoulders or your neck, your back, your hips. Maybe you'll hold some tension in the pelvic area, maybe in your stomach. Just release that. Just breathe it out, allowing that breath to flow. Just letting go, releasing with every breath, releasing the tension. Being intentional about releasing with every breath. And just relaxing even more as you breathe. Just continue to breathe nice and easy. Allowing that flow, that fluidity, the calmness of the breath, of this mudra. There is nothing to do in this moment but just to continue letting go and releasing. Release anything that you've been hanging on to for the past week, or maybe month, or longer. Release anything that you might be holding on to for the future, how you would like the rest of the week to go. Just release it and allow. Just go with the flow. And now you can stay here as long as you'd like, just breathing through that mudra, releasing any tension that's left behind. Just letting go. And if you are ready to come out, or whenever you are ready to come out of this meditation, just slowly bring your awareness back into your body, back into the space. You can rub your hands together and place them over your eyes. And then when you are ready, you can open your eyes and remove your hands. Just be gentle with yourself. Take your time. Thank you for being here. Namaste.